president of the Never Give Up Foundation. We did operate in this country for the past couple of years. So as you see Kaya today, we brother them, we don't come here, they don't come do disability study. I think say you remember some faces them around their right, because we can see. So now that make Kaya today. The foundation and Never Give Up Foundation. We get with sponsorships them, brother do them they abroad, where at least they are really execute what they want to do. We watch out for people who are less privileged people and give back to them. Because even the scriptures and both the Quran and the Bible, at least you get Allah bless you with upper hand, and more better let you help the people about to less privileged. So now this thing will be done they do. We done they do at a different size then. Like I say initially, we done they do for the past couple of years. So this trip Allah directly for local Canada doorstop. Hope you understand? Yes. So now that time being we can today. As you see, we come with rice, we come with drinks, we come with water, we come with yabas, we come with gari, we come with salt, we come with sugar, we come with tomatoes, we come with milk, we come with tea leaf dede, and also butter dede. So we not say we're not going to do everything, but at least the little way Allah will bless people with, but that make Kukaya today for local and share with Tunasa. So I feel safe, I can rest in the case now. Now that now they bring with Canada.
Thank you for we continue for keep we in good health and then we think about people that we need help. So I believe say somehow me not to strange or new person I am. And I mean a person where I belong to different organizations then. I even get one way at the head, then this now other one I belong to. But again, now almost the same thing with the push. So this particular organization, we want to embark on some charity as Marina and the mandate that they try to do. So being a member of this organization, I'll be get a guest here. Say I know a place. We actually are in need. And the CEO for this particular organization, if we hold meeting, they emphasize, say where they really need help, where they don't get support. Now we spot that side and day, then as an organization, we will see what we will do. So that means the president will be clear for kind of feasibility. Of course, we present with findings where we state a lot of challenges. But in a way, something but we need to attack all at the same time. We're never going for the most pressing ones. And we still go be most pressing our food. So we see okay, time, last step in first with the food, and then we will therefore look at any other aspects. We put across, but good challenges we know say, at least from the facing line. And by Allah in power, we not go forget this particular place, Never Give Up Foundation, and we also pray that the CEO, instead of the under, they try for lobbying and they try for do everything in your power to make it go at least get concern for the less privileged. We also pray that God will open doors for them and then they will get back to we for make we will execute all the duties and the functions of this particular organization. So if you see me now, then you see me part of this team. Now other organizations that you are joined, apart from that way you know me for. Of course we get other things we'll be discussing if you don't be. But for the purpose of this organization, now this at least come to me and at least make I'll be done the call this and make you go try for put with this increase will come. So that I want to add and let you know so that Allah in power. Any side way some more free go see opportunity. Once you know so yeah they are needed, we will try for the that opportunity to care about Allah in power. Yeah, so make Allah will make it easy for all. So now the order.
So now this part of the gift there.
Now Allah continue for putting on a scale. We ask Allah, Allah reward for this, and let it be a rewardable reward for from now until the day of judgment. We ask Allah, Allah will make on hearts and all time the thing about this particular place. Among we now will get taken away, some then are orphan, some not there actually, some then are orphan, then plenty more than this actually. But due to some other struggles, them way the school undergo, they make some parents and we can't take them, picking them out. So past few of them. So we tell them thank you, we appreciate. And also we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Allah continue for giving them more chance and more sacrifices for what they do. We appreciate well. Like how this organization don't do, we request to every Muslim in the world also, but let us do the same. We give thanks to our brothers them, this kind of sacrifice we then do, and the effort we then do for let this food go reach the right people them. We ask Allah, let Allah bless them. We tell them plenty and plenty thank you for our effort on our do, for when we come and one way they are abroad also. Everybody we spend smallest money, the little money we give for the fisabilillah. We ask Allah, let Allah put on a scale. We tell them plenty thank you, we appreciate you now, and we're glad for now. We ask Allah increase for now more. Allah continue for giving our chances them. Allah open wisdom for now, for Allah continue for the help. Bless and tell Allah thank you. Allah secure and protect you any south on a day.
My name is Muhammad Jamil Bangura. I attend the school of Madrasa Tuhira, where we did now memorize the Quran by the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So but we face so many challenges and so many trials and we at least we disturb your learning. See, because in terms of food and also we not get good accommodation. Then also we not get good in terms of medical facilities. Then all the things and we need them. So then they in the affect we great because at times we can then at the place of learning then you see some picking they sick. So pass then get for pull out of the school then can go another side for treatment. Then also at times with the day very long time inside the day we before say we not go get sufficient food. So then they all in they disturb the learning also. And also in terms of the accommodation, the winter time when before in a cold, very cold time, as we see now inside Pan Body we live. You see, then also anything that we can affect we because we can grab very early in the night. We can grab at times around the 1 o'clock. We reach the time of Fajr. Then also, if in a cold time in the affect with the picking and unable for grab because the time we did the community not good. Then also as we see no fencing, then people and they around where they disturb we. In terms of the learning, wallahi, then they affect you greatly. So all the things and they we need them, but by the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we be done the try for put into prayer by the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we don't come, now offer this gift to we, this now very important to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala barakah on all. And this now we can mock when Sheikh Ibrahim Jallo, way before say 9 days with we now. And the one that we get the school, the other account presently, the other one go part school. So because of this, we tell you thank you by the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now some of them things they are with the encounter. And all them picking their own at the CISO Sunday, they don't go Sunday, they almost around the Quran. Some of who we did by almost we inside the Quran now, some of who just start. So because of this, but most of the challenges that they facing down there in the make we discourage at times for land. But if we get them kind of help there by the power of Allah, that will help you for level able for boom up your knowledge and also try for exhibit your talent, inshallah. So because of this, I will stop here so far. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.